Hey everyone, welcome back Life Hack TV channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into a topic everyone loves: how to make money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a new career, or just some extra cash, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Section 1: Online Side Hustles. First up, let's talk about online side hustles. The internet has opened up so many opportunities for us to make money from the comfort of our homes. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Freelancing is a great way to use your skills to make money. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you offer services ranging from graphic design and writing to programming and virtual assistants. Don't forget about online surveys and market research. Companies like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Bindale Research pay you for your opinions. It's not a ton of money, but it can add up. Section 2: Passive Income Streams. Next, let's discuss passive income streams. These are ways to make money with little ongoing effort. One popular method is investing in dividend-paying stocks. You earn money through regular dividend payments, and hopefully, the value of the stock goes up over time. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade make it easy to start investing with just a few dollars. Remember to do your research or consult a financial advisor before diving in. Another passive income idea is creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. Once created, you can sell them on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Etsy, and earn money every time someone makes a purchase. Section 3: Entrepreneurial Ventures. For those of you with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business might be the way to go. This could be anything from a small online store to offering a unique local service. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy are great for selling handmade or niche products. And if you're into drop shipping, you can sell products without worrying about inventory. If you prefer offering services, consider what skills you have that others might need. Tutoring, consulting, pet sitting, and home cleaning are just a few ideas. The key is to find a need in your community and fill it. Section 4: Tips for Success. Here are some quick tips for success no matter which path you choose. First, be patient and persistent. Making money takes time, and you might face setbacks along the way. Second, stay organized. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and time commitments to ensure you're staying on top of everything. Finally, never stop learning. The more skills and knowledge you acquire, the more opportunities you'll have to make money. Check out online resources, take courses, and network with others in your field. So there you have it, folks. A bunch of ways to make money, whether you're looking for a side hustle, passive income, or starting your own business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite money-making idea or any questions you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.